So hello mga kabughaw, today you will not see my face but you will hear my voice. This is a short tutorial on how to make an overlay on your OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS when streaming to YouTube and Facebook. So let's start. Kung wala pa po kayong Picsart, you can download it on the Google Play Store. This one. Google Play Store, just type in Picsart. Okay? Picsart. Alright. Okay. Just download it. I'm updating it right now because we're doing a tutorial. So I'm going to the Picsart. Okay. This is going to be so quick. So I hope na makakasabay po kayo. So let's click on the plus button here. Dito yung nagva-violet na yan. I-click po natin yan. And then let's choose the color backgrounds. This one is the transparent background. Click on the tools, crop, and set it on YouTube. Yan. So your size of the overlay is already on YouTube size na po. And then, syempre sa overlay, it's more on borders and everything. But this time, this is going to be so simple. Let's go to the sticker. Search for borders. Yan. Okay, and on this one, we will choose the border. Here, I'll choose this one since I love pink. And then you can adjust it on the size of the overlay. And just drag it. So, we are now adjusting the size of the rectangle to fit on the YouTube size that we are working on right now. So a little bit. Yan. Konting tiyaga lang po talaga, guys. But this is going to be as easy as 1 to 3 done editing on Photoshop. Sorry for my voice, I'm about to go to sleep, but I'm just doing this because somebody requested it. So, you go again to the stickers because you want your overlay to be a little different. So, I'm going to choose the neon heart. You can search for items na gusto po ninyo. So, yan, hanap tayo ng free. Siguro this one. Yan. Why I chose this one? Because it blends to the color of the frame. Okay. Since nakikita nyo po yung blue line na yan, so it means nasa center po ang ating sticker. And then, you can type in your name. Now, kunyari po ang pangalan is Baby Bear. So, si Baby Bear po ang ilalagay natin dyan. Ipoporma lang po natin. And then, choose po tayo ng magandang lettering. And a color. Pwede rin po sa texture. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan nyo siya ng black na background. So, ganyan po siya. After nyan, adjust ka na lang ng konti sa frame kung hindi pantay. And then, yan. Tapos na po yan. Pwede na po yung overlay sa inyong mga OBS Studio or sa inyong Streamlabs OBS. And if you want another square here, so you can just add another square. You can add another square. So, neon square. Ayan po. Makikita nyo dito. Ito kunyari. Kung saan po ninyo gustong ipwesto yung inyong video. Sa taas. Dito. Usually dito, no? So, dyan ko siya ilalagay. Ayan. So, dyan may ilalagay yung video mo. And then, dito sa background na malaki is yung iyong video capture dito, yung yung mukha mo or anong gusto mo ilagay dyan. And then sa background is kung syempre kung ano yung nila live stream mo. And then save. Save po ninyo yan. So may mga lumalabas na ganyan. I-back nyo lang po. Yan. Save. Save lang. And then go to your gallery. Sa gallery nyo makikita nyo yan. Check nyo po yung details. Makikita nyo PNG file siya. So, pag clinic po yan, transparent po ang background niyan. So, yun po yun guys. I hope nakasunod po kayo and I hope I gave you an idea on how to make your overlays. And that's the tutorial for today. Thank you for listening. Until my next video. Bye!